Hi, my name is Glenda Moore. I'm here to talk to you about a new feature in Windows 8 and talk about a couple of my favorite apps. Since the early 1980s, Microsoft has developed many versions of its operating systems, with its first true operating system being developed in 1990, Windows 3.0 version. Today, Microsoft has developed a new version of Windows, which is called Windows 8, which was released on October 26, 2012. It has many new features, no more icons this time around, and it has become a more visual paradigm. It's not hard to see one of the new features at a glance. Microsoft has gone from using icons to a tile-based user interface. And as we can see, the icons have been used since 1995 until the present. One of the greatest features that I like is Windows 8 Innovative and Dynamic Desktop. It uses a tile-based user interface, sometimes called the Metro UI. It is the first thing that you see when you power up the computer. No need for the start button that we all grew accustomed to in previous versions of Windows operating systems. The desktop looks more like our smartphone and tablets. They are similar based on the touch screen, tile-based user interface. All the tiles may not fit the screen, it just depends on the amount of apps. But you would do the same as your smartphone, just slide the screen to the left or right. One thing I would like to say is that most PCs are not equipped with touchscreen capabilities. You will have to purchase a touchscreen pad. However, you're still able to use the mouse. Speaking of apps, I just want to take time out to tell you about a couple of my favorite applications. They are the weather application and the DVD video soft manager. The first thing that I do every morning is to turn on my television in order to find out about the weather. That is why the weather application is at the top of my list. There are many different weather applications out there that are offered for free. The ones that we're most familiar with is AccuWeather and the Weather Channel. It offers weather at a glance. This application has real-time display. You can check out the weather without activating or clicking on the application. You're able to personalize it according to your city or location or just anywhere in the world. Showing some creativity with its design, the tile actually changes colors depending on the weather. For example, if it's sunny outside, the tile would turn a bright yellow. If it's cloudy, the tile turns a white cloudy color. I love this application because it helps me to start my day. My next favorite application is in media entertainment. It is called the Free Studio Manager, developed by DVD Video Soft. The Free Studio Manager is a converter. It is an awesome application right at your fingertip. You're able to convert and format different types of medias. It has 8 choice selections for access to any application. This manager is an all-in-one multimedia application supporting YouTube programs, MP3s, audios, DVDs and videos, photos and images, mobiles, CD, Apple devices, and 3D programs. It converts different formats such as iPods, iPhones, and devices, upload, download YouTube videos, create 3D videos and images, and many more. With this new operating system, most people find it a bit confusing, even when it comes down to opening and closing an application, especially on the closing end. They are having a hard time closing it, along with closing out websites and even powering off the computer. If you decide to buy a new Windows PC, know that Windows 8 is already installed on it. I know it can be a bit challenging, but with patience and a period of adjustment, you can overcome these challenges. There are many great features and applications available in Microsoft Windows 8 operating systems. Mine are the innovative desktop with its tile-based user interface, along with my favorite applications, the weather and the free Studio Manager apps. Which ones are at the top of your list?